Hello, everyone. Learn how to recover archive email in Outlook. So let's start. Open your Outlook application, and here I just go to the inbox folder, and here I'm going to archive this all inbox email. Okay. So first select the one email, then press the Control A to select the all emails in inbox folder. Okay. To archive it, simply right click on the email and click on here the last option, archive. Just click on it and that's it. Here you can see the all emails in inbox folder is archived. So to recover these emails, just simply go to the archive folder and here you can see all the emails that have already been archived. Okay. So to recover these all emails again in inbox folder, simply same as select the one email, then press the Control A to select the all emails in archive folder. Then right click on the mouse, click on the move option and select here the folder where you want. So I just select the inbox. Okay. And that's it. Now I go to the inbox folder and here you see the all email is recovered from archive folder. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.